Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today I am back with another video, and I'm so happy to be back, you guys. I really be missing like my YouTube channel. I really do. You guys are just like everything. So I love being on my YouTube channel, and I hate when I'm away. I have been sick. A lot of you guys who follow me on Snapchat, you guys already know about me being sick and just like, ugh. It has been terrible, but nonetheless, I am here. I'm fighting through it. I'm about 85%. I'm looking to be like 90 tomorrow, and by the end of the week, man, we're gonna be at 100. But anyways, today I wanted to introduce a new series here on my channel, hopefully something that can be a permanent series here, and that is called Lux for Less. Now, I wanted to start this series because I feel like there are so many people that have an obsession. Yes, I said it. An obsession with luxurious designer items. Everybody wants Gucci this, Louis that, Fendi this, Prada that. So today I wanted to show you guys how you guys can get your hands on some designer perfume for $15. Now I know you like $15 is fake. No, I'm talking about designer perfume, $15, 100% authentic. And I know you like, but what's the catch? I wanted to tell you guys about something that I have actually been using recently. Now, listen, I do have designer perfume. Designer perfume is so expensive, okay, you guys? I have this perfume right here. Now, this was actually a gift to me from someone. This is the Marc Jacobs Decadence. You can't really see it, cause, okay, you can see it like that a little bit. So this is the Marc Jacobs Decadence perfume. I love this. I've had it for about 2 years now, and this is like a special edition kind of one, but it's so nice, and this is like a really thick chain that comes with it. Now, this perfume retails for over $100. Obviously, over $100. So I don't wear this every day. I pretty much spray it on every now and again. Another favorite scent of mine, well, actually one of my favorite scents, is actually Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. So I have this little one here that I carry in my purse. Now this tiny thing was $68. $68 for this. Okay, now this is something I really like the scent, so I purchased it, but nobody really wants to spend $68, $100-something on perfume. We would much rather spend to have a travel size, because I only bought this because this was a travel size. So $68 versus something like this, the same kind of idea, travel size as well, but this one is $15. Now this is a product by this company called Luxury Scent Box, and basically what they are is a monthly subscription where you spend $15 a month for your favorite perfumes. So this product does last for about a month. It can also last longer than that. I've had this since February. I've used it since February. It is now the beginning of May, and I still have product in here. So these definitely last for longer than a month, and for you to be spending $15 on this product, I think that's absolutely amazing. On top of this only being $15, you guys, I have a discount code for you guys. You guys can use the code Tastemaker during checkout and receive $5 off your order. So instead of spending $15 on your first month, you'll only spend $10. And not only that, you guys will also receive free shipping on your first month. Now, some of the scents that they have different price ranges. So there are some perfumes that range normally $230 to about $300 for perfume. You can get those premium scents for $18 a month, which is a steal, you guys. You guys can smell like money and save your money. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So this is the box that you guys will receive. It looks something like this. It's just a white box, and the package is sent via USPS, so that is the local post office here. So when you open it up, they do give you a card. So this is the component, and this is just directions to show you how you guys can replace the perfume inside of the component. It does come outside it like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just slide it right on in like that, and then at the bottom, you're just gonna twist it. So when you open up the box, it does have like this really cool like confetti type of stuff in there, and then you have your scents inside of this box. And when you open it up, this is where you guys will have the component. So this one, I got two, so I was like lucky enough to get two of these. So this one is actually some Versace perfume. I'm so excited about this one, and it's red. It's like, hello. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys, and like I said, when you can twist it up, pull it right out, and it comes out easy. So the scent that I have here, this one is called Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. I have never tried this one before. This is a very new product. Oh, it smells so bomb, you guys. I can't wait till they have smell-o-vision. I'm gonna spray some on right now because I just feel scrumptious. And then because it twists down like this, you don't have to worry about it spraying all in your bag. And that's kind of what ended up happening with this one. That's why most of this is gone, really, is because the top kept coming off. Even right now, I don't know where the top is. The top kept coming off, and now I wasted a lot of perfume, and this is very expensive. Here's how it works. So once you've logged onto the website, you're gonna go ahead and take a fragrance quiz. Based off of the quiz, they're gonna give you a couple of suggestions of perfumes that they think you will like. I think they matched me up pretty good. I did not choose these scents, and I'm like one of those people that like stuck in their ways. I'm not always ready for change when it comes to things that I'm like comfortable with. And when it comes to like my perfumes, I have like my scents, and I'm like, this is my scent. I don't want to try anything else. And then I try something else and I'm like, okay, I actually like this a lot. So once you have placed your order with them, your order will then be sent to you within 2 to 7 business days after your billing date. So if you signed up today, and today is the 1st of the month, let's just say, hypothetically speaking, so between the 3rd and the 8th of the month, you will get an email notification letting you know that your order has been shipped to you. So I received my order fairly quickly after placing it with them. And that's one thing, you guys know me, I love fast shipping. I don't like to wait for anything. And I feel like we're in a society today where everything is just instant. So none of us really like to wait. So the fact that they can ship this out between 2 to 7 business days is perfectly fine with me. Also, I did want to say that if you guys have a couple of different scents that you guys want to try out for the month, you guys can actually choose which perfumes you guys want to try out each month. So you can go ahead and schedule light blue for next month, and you guys can schedule Marc Jacobs Daisy So Fresh, or whatever scents it is that you guys love. If you guys already have scents you love already that you don't want to switch up, you guys can schedule those out for every month. So let's say this month you wanted to try this perfume, you can do that. So I think that's also a great option, so you know exactly what you're getting the next month. It's also kind of exciting too, especially if it's a scent that you've never tried before. Another hack that I did want to tell you guys, if you guys see a scent online, or it's a scent that I'm mentioning here that you guys aren't sure about, you guys want to smell it for yourself, you guys can definitely go to places like Macy's or Sephora, and you can go ahead and get a little sniff and get a smell. And that way, when you go on to Luxury Scent Box, instead of spending $100-something there in the store, in the department store, you guys can go to luxuryscentbox.com and then go ahead and schedule that scent for the following month. I'm sure you guys want to know, do you receive the reusable containers every month? You don't receive them every month, but you do receive them quarterly. So a couple of months will go by, and then they'll go ahead and send you a new one. This one is red. I have the green one as well. They have a silver one that I've seen as well, but I'm not really sure on the like whole color variety because I don't have all of those. I can only tell you based off of what I've seen. But if you do check out their Instagram account, you can check out other people who have tried out Luxury Scent Box, and you can see what different kind of color packaging that they have for the reusable containers. Please keep in mind that the code Tastemaker is only for new members. So if you already have tried out Luxury Scent Box, you aren't going to be able to use my code and get the free shipping and the $5 off. So this is specifically only for new members. Luxury Scent Box is not only for women, this website is also for men. So if there are any men out there that are watching me, if you guys have any colognes that you also would like to try out, or maybe you guys have like a boyfriend, or maybe, hey, Father's Day is right around the corner. This is a month-to-month subscription, so you guys can cancel it at any time. So if you did want to purchase it just for this month and not have to pay next month, it's perfectly fine. If you did want to skip this month, resume the next month, that's also an option as well. So there is no commitment. If you guys sign up for this, it's not like, oh, I have to pay for this every month. You guys can cancel at any time. I hope you guys like this first episode of Lux for Less. You guys can definitely expect these once a month. with all that said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.